Hey stargazers! Well, we know that the movement of the solar system is ever changing and it creates beautiful groupings in the night sky. And I thought I would put together a whole set of stargazing forecasts whenever there's an extra special grouping of stellar objects for you, and it will make it nice and easy so that you know exactly where to look and what to see on those very special occasions. And so there's a grouping coming up and it is really quite beautiful. And so on the morning of June the 14th, there will be a beautiful grouping of the thin crescent moon as well as with Jupiter. Now that will be around 6 a.m. in the morning. Now Jupiter being the king of the planets, super bright in the night sky, so coming together with the thin crescent moon, it will be an extra special stargazing view to see. So I thought make that interaction to the night sky a little bit easier. You don't need a telescope, the views are just beautiful to see. So I hope that you can get up, have a little look and enjoy those beautiful stellar views which are just always happening with the movement of the solar system ever changing. So keep looking up guys, I'll catch you next time.